Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 2nd. This is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the euro dollar never did hit that 38% fib level that I've been talking about. So I think there's a good chance that we are going to get at least one more push down. To me, it kind of looks like this is a pulse of down wave one. This could be like an ABC correction for wave two. Then we have a one, two, three, four, five of wave three, and potentially this is a wave four. And wave four is only a correction to the wave three, which is why I got my fib on just the wave three. If we get a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the downside, I think we should go down and make a wave five. Now, today is non-farm payroll news, which is normally one of the bigger news events of the month. If this really is like an ABC right here, or the bigger ABC if you zoom out a little bit, either way, if this really is an ABC, then it will bounce from a Fibonacci level, it will go up, and it will break structure. The bounce from a fib level and the break of structure is the only thing that is going to convince me that this is the end of an ABC correction and continuation of the uptrend. It definitely doesn't have to end the correction today. It could go much, much lower. It could go to the 50% or even the 61% if you zoom out more. So the only thing that will turn me back into a buyer is seeing a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure today, probably around the non-farm payroll news. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.